guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video will be my 12th Rick and Bella for the school year, and today is a Sunday. Here's my schedule for today. There's some regular morning math starting my day. After that, I'm going to do some cleaning and trash out. After that, I'll be doing some little bit of doing some work, but you know that's kind of my normal life. And then so my third one for schedule that I put, which is important, is evening mass. Right, today is a Scala day, so I will be there a little earlier, so around 5:15. That's when we start practicing it. So that's the evening mass for today. And after that, I have a laundry. You know, I do some laundry. I have a lot of laundry stuff to do, and I'm going to finish my day to doing some homework. So you know, not like easy day, but you know, a lot of things to do. So all right, I need to go to the church. So let's go out together. Right, you can see that I'm walking to the church, and we got some more snow. Right, it's still snowing. So you know, it's winter and December here, so it makes sense we got some snow, right? So, but it's used to it. You know, I'm used to it. Snow. I live in Wisconsin for more than 6 years now, so I'm used to it. All right, I will see you guys in the church. Alright, just finished the morning mass, and as you saw, I played the violin for the first time at the church. You know, I'm taking violin lessons with Dr. Giorgio, and you know, I learned a lot. I can play some music, and I saw one of the part that we sing, there's a long and there's a violin part, and it's actually really easy. So I tried to play it, and so you know, it works, and I did pretty good actually, you know. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you couldn't really hear it because live stream is always a sound balance is the issue, especially you know, bass, flute, and violin. Flute is somewhat a little louder, but you kind of hear me at the end. You know, D strings, right? Open D strings. Then my last note, you could hear me a little bit at the end of the piece, but you know, yeah. And people ask me, how many instruments do you play? Tom is like, what? A lot. You know, I play flute, piano, right? Percussions. You know, now I play violin, and I conduct, you know, sings, like a lot of things. People are like, you're crazy. I'm too impressed. Like, yeah, you know. So you can see that before I go to brunch, I need to put my instruments away because violin, it's actual hands-on. I don't want to put the violin in the cold temperature. Especially violin is not good for cold weather. It can go really out of tune. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the room. Right, I just came back from church, and then you know, I can see that I put my violin right there, and then I put my other stuff in behind here. So, and now it's time to get the lunch, right? And you eat lunch, you know, and do some other stuff, laundry, I mean the trash out and cleaning, that kind of stuff, right? So alright, let's go out together and get some lunch. Right, you guys can see that I'm walking to the cafeteria to get some food, and the weather, it's still snowing, but it's actually kind of wet snow, you know, because the weather is getting a little warmer. The snow is not having to stick around the ground, you know, and it's getting a little melted, but you know, it's kind of rain, you know, ice rain, that's kind of stuff. So yeah, interesting weather in here, right? So all right, I will see you guys in the cafeteria. Alright, here's my lunch for today. I got some breakfast sandwich, and I got some yogurt and smoothie. What a great food, right? And of course, my milk is always every meal, right? I drink a lot of milk every day, so here we go again. Alright, I'm gonna get some food and see you soon. Alright, just came back from the lunch, and then before I go to do some trash out and then do some cleaning and get some little bit of relax, you know, I got some time to little relax before, you know, I do some trash out and do some cleaning, and then after that I will go to the evening mass. So I mean, before I go to evening mass, I'm gonna get some early dinner at the Phil's, So yep. So I'll get some little relax, and I will see you guys pretty soon. Right, I just got some relax, and then now it's time to do some trash out. Right now it's about like 4:30 p.m. I'm gonna do some trash out, and then I will go ahead and do some cleaning, and then eating dinner at Bill's, and go to the church for the evening mass. So right, so all right, I'm gonna see you guys outside. Let's do some trash out. All right, you can see that I'm walking to our trash out spot. You can see over there. I got some trash here. See that? Not a lot, but some trash, right? So, yeah. Alright, here we go. You open this, and then. Oh, we have a lot of trash here. So, there you go. End of the week, so there's a lot of trash already, right? So, alright. Let's go to the fields and let's get some dinner. I'll buy some sandwich, simple sandwich, that kind of stuff before I go to church. So, alright, I will see you guys in the C store. Okay, you can see that I'm in the C store to buy some dinner for today. And I'm going to actually buy some sandwich here. They do have a lot of options that I can pick. I'm going to go with a turkey. I love turkey sandwich, so I'm going to go with that. So let me grab that quick. And oops, oh my god, okay, just drop it. Alright, you go back there, thank you. You don't want to drop the food here, right? And here's my turkey sandwich. I also want some noodles, right? There are 3 options for me. I'm gonna go with the spicy one, I like this one, so. Alright, and I normally eat sushi with this, so let me buy some sushi too. And oh my goodness, they do have a lot of options, so this is amazing. Alright, I think I'll go with the salmon one. I love salmon, so, I will get this one. Here we go. Alright, I will check out and see you guys soon. Alright, I bought some, sandwich and other foods for dinner for after the mass. Actually going to eat dinner after the mass because, I'm not that hungry yet. I got some, snacks while I'm relaxing a couple hours ago, so I'm going to eat dinner after the mass. So, and you can see that I'm walking back to the church, right? Today is a Scholar Day again. There's a special choir groups that I'm singing for the mass, so that's happening today. So yeah, we'll be 5:15 p.m. That's when we start practicing it for choir, and then we're going to have a mass after that. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the church. Right, guys, it's finished the evening mass with the Schola choir ensemble, and then the mass went really, really good. You can see that the church is closed. I closed the church, since it's the last event in the church that's happening today. So, and you can see that I'm walking back to my dorm, right? I need to eat dinner, and then I have a lot of some homework to do. I have a presentation coming up on Tuesday for music history, and then I need to do some catching up work for my women's Bible. I got a lot of work to do, catching up, and then do that. So a little behind, but I got this. I can catch this up, right? Tom can do it, right? It's like Tom never fails. Yeah, that's me, right? Tom, I never got failed. So here we go. Yeah. All right, I will see you guys in the room. All right, you can see that here's my dinner. I got some noodles and I got some sandwich and sushi. That's for my dinner for today. And I'm also watching my favorite cartoon, Django. Right, this is a Korean cartoon. So, all right, I will get some food and see you guys soon. Right, I just finished some of my homeworks, right? I did a lot of work today, but still have a lot of things to do yet, right? School's not over yet, right? Even though the concert is all are over, but that does not mean that semester is over yet. We still have 2 more weeks about that, right? But so I'm gonna working really hard, for my projects, assignments, and exams coming up too, and juries, that kind of stuff. So rest of my semester, I just need working really hard for my some homeworks and other stuff, right? So yeah. All right, I hope you enjoyed this weekend vlog, right? As I mentioned, the end of the semester, it's really coming soon, right? We have only one more week of class, which is this coming week, and then after that is the finals week. So only 2 weeks left, and we are done for the semester, right? So that means we also going to have only 2 more school vlogs and then 2 more weekend vlogs for this semester, because semester are going to finish. And after that, we will be moving on to the winter break vlogs, right? So winter break is coming soon too, I cannot actually wait, I need some really nice break, yeah, so I cannot wait for that. But before to start my weekend, the winter break, finishing my semester strong, right? So I won't fail in any class, right? That won't be happen, but I still need to work really hard, so I can get a good grades, so yeah. So I had a really nice day today, right? It was an amazing day, morning masses, it was really good, December start, right? Today was the first Sunday of Advent, and then we have Christmas coming, which is my favorite holiday in the season, right? Christmas is coming too, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna close this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you push the subscribe button and like button, and the notification button so you can notice that when I upload new video every time. Okay? And I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Have a wonderful night, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.